अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। तो क्या हाल चाल है आप सब लोगों में? उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब लोग ठीक हो। तो पहले टाटे जैसे आप लोगों ने होगा, हम स्ट्रेट टाटे की तरफ चलते हैं। कोई हम लोग आज लंबी चौड़ी बात नहीं करने वाले। अवनीत कौर ऑन क्विटिंग अलादीन फ्रेंडशिप विद सिद्धार्थ हिटिंग अ मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर ऑन यूट्यूब एंड मोर। तो लेट्स सी यार कि ये वीडियो कैसी होती है भैया। बहुत टाइम बाद इंटरव्यू के ऊपर हम रिएक्शन देने वाले हैं। पहले वीडियो को शेयर करने से पहले बात करने से पहले लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, कमेंट करना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना। इस वीडियो के लिए मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा जो एक्साइटमेंट है वो ये है, अवनीत कौर क्विटिंग अलादीन। बहुत सारे लोगों के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन होंगे, तो आज अवनीत कौर के मुंह से सुन लेते हैं कि यार क्यों अलादीन ने शो को लीव किया था। पहले वीडियो को शेयर करने से पहले बात करें तो अवनीत कौर के फैन सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना। डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है मेरे इंस्टाग्राम की, जाके इंस्टाग्राम को जरूर फॉलो कर देना। तो मेरा नाम है बिलाल और आप देख रहे हो बिलाल रिएक्ट। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन भी ज़रूर दबाना ताकि आप मेरी कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना कर सको। शुक्रिया।
सो आइए यार इंटरव्यू देखते हैं और उसके बाद में बात करते हैं कि ये इंटरव्यू कैसे था। 3, 2, 1 हियर वी गो।
Subscribe and hit the bell icon.
हिट द
to
बेल
never miss
आइकन,
another
मेरे चैनल
update
की भी
from
हिट द
India
बेल
Forums.
आइकन।
Yeah, it was a pretty difficult decision, but I just hope that people don't get upset about that. So yeah, I had to tell him obviously, and he was pretty devastated about that. He was like, okay. Remember taking our first video together when we were in India Forum's office, and I was holding the silver button. I got pretty distracted because of all these things, and I really wanted to create some content for the people who really love. I hope that there is some bigger project and better things that are coming, and I would love to be a part of it with him.
Joining me for a conversation today is the ever so sweet content creator, actress, dancer, influencer. The list doesn't end because she is just so talented. Avneet, welcome to India Forums. It's always so sweet talking to you. How are you?
So much. Thank you, Simran. It's lovely to talk to you as well. I'm awesome, doing great.
एक बात बता दूं, इंटरनेट दोनों का अच्छा नहीं
I'm
है।
good as well, and I'm sure
दोनों अटक रहे हैं ऐसे कर कर।
the people who are in the best of their mood are your fans because ये interview जब वो देखेंगे they're going to be so overwhelmed and
I know, right?
right. True. So without any further ado, we should just start by congratulating you for hitting 1 million subscribers on YouTube. It's like yesterday we were recording
दोनों का
with the
बेकार
silver
है।
play button, and today you are at 1 million. So it's amazing. Tell me like this YouTube journey to begin with.
Alright, so yeah, I hit 1 million, and I remember taking our first video together when we were in India Forum's office, and I was holding the silver button. और मेरे को literally लगा नहीं था like इतना जल्दी 1 million हो जाएगा.
हो
I've
जाएगा।
been super inactive on YouTube as well. Like my fans were really very sad about that fact, and I was always like, यार I should create more content on YouTube, yeah. The videos they are supposed to be so
Almost
long.
सारी वीडियो पे मैंने ना रिएक्शन दिया।
Something very different.
Almost.
So I always used to have these ideas, and I started them क्योंकि quarantine की वजह से. So I was all quarantined. अरे भाई lockdown चल रहा है now, so I'll start creating content on YouTube. And then I started creating some content and some videos.
Pocket Vlog Part 2 पे भी रिएक्शन दिया भाई।
People saw it. They gave
आई
a lot of
शेडो
love.
पैलेट बहुत कलर्स थे
because
भाई।
you've been creating content for like various platforms. Tell me how like different is YouTube and how much more commitment is required in terms of कि ऐसे आप कुछ भी shoot करके नहीं डाल सकते. It has to be packaged well and all of that. So what is your take on this?
About that, I think like suppose for example, let's take reels. Like it's supposed to be a very casual kind of platform. Like it has to be a 15-second video, so it can be quick, it can be casual, it can be yourself. But the thing is that in YouTube you have to go deeper into the content. You really have to define everything and everything, and it has to be pretty entertaining. Because people don't watch such long videos nowadays. They just want to see something very funny or very entertaining. So I think it takes a little more effort on YouTube and a little more of ideas.
लग जाते हैं पूरी वीडियो बनाने में लिटिल।
Also because we spoke initially जब lockdown हुआ था, that's the time we spoke, and you told about like painting and all of that. But now it's actually been like 4 months and nobody would have imagined कि ये इतना लंबा चलने वाला है. So tell me, how have you been keeping your sanity? Ki, matlab, you know, like you have to like be focused, also create content, be on camera so much. So how
Yeah.
how are you keeping up?
I think I get pretty distracted. Like I got pretty distracted because of all these things, and I really
इंडिया
wanted to
फोरम्स
create
वाले
some
भी
content
सियाने हैं,
for
उनको भी पता है
people
कि
who
ना
really
यहाँ
love
पर लोग पूरी वीडियो
but at the
देखेंगे,
same time I really
इसलिए हम
wanted to
अलादीन को
discover
लास्ट
myself
में
because
डाल
I've
दें
got
ताकि
this time
पूरा
right
एवरेज
now
व्यू
which I really
ड्यूरेशन
don't want to miss. And I know for a fact that after this lockdown gets over and we get back to our lives, there's no way, and there's not an option that I'll get this time back. So I was
True.
like, see, I have to discover myself also. I have to see what
ये
I
बात ना
like.
मुझे आज
I
तक
have to
समझ नहीं
discover
आई,
new
डिस्कवर
activities,
माई
new
सेल्फ वाली
experiences.
कुछ हो ही
Plus
नहीं
I have
अपने
to
अंदर,
create
तो डिस्कवर
content
क्या
also
करेंगे?
so that people
प्लीज मुझे
keep
बताओ कि आप
seeing me,
लोगों
they
ने
keep
अपने आप को
watching and they
डिस्कवर
get
किया
very
है?
happy for that. So yeah, that
मैंने तो
has been
मुझसे
a
तो
pretty
मैंने
great
किया, कोई
task
अंदर से
lately,
निकला ही नहीं.
and I'm enjoying most of it actually. I've started writing quotes. I started my own page. I have started really getting into drawings and art and all that, and discovered many new things. So I'm really happy.
Right. You know now because there are a lot of your fans and I'm sure they keep messaging you also about Aladdin and like you not continuing the show and all of that. Tell me,
ये बात मुझे
you
भी
know,
सुननी है.
बाहर से ऐसे देखने पे लगता है that you left the show because of health reasons and all. But there's so much that goes in your head also because that's not something you did out of like like willingly कि चलो मैं छोड़ देती हूँ. Better
Obviously.
so, matlab, like, how difficult was it to come to that decision? Like, matlab, this is what's better for me.
It was definitely not an individual decision. My parents were involved in it, and all the decisions that I really take in my life, my parents are always, being a part of it. So yeah, we had been thinking for a while when there was lockdown, and as people know that I got really sick because of dengue. So like disease hits people different ways. So it hit me really bad. Like I was in the hospital for a week, which really doesn't happen because it really hit my immunity system a lot. And after that, I got super weak, and I was trying to regain my strength. I was trying to regain myself, and we just thought that it wasn't a good step to maybe go out and shoot every day on a regular basis for me especially. And we had to come to this decision eventually that I couldn't continue it because it was a great risk for my health as well. So it was very difficult though. I was thinking about it since the whole time of the lockdown. जैसे ही हुआ ना, I was like, अरे यार, I have to go out now, I have to shoot, what should I do? Like, there were many things. But yeah, it was a pretty difficult decision. But I just hope that, people don't get upset about that. And I just hope that they have this hope inside them. Hi, I'm going to see me very soon or something.
When fans sort of get to know a decision, it's very hard for them to accept it as it is. And
Yeah.
like start thinking various things कि शायद इस reason से छोड़ा होगा. And one reason I think which was like popping up more is like is the friendship between Siddharth and Avneet like not there, are they not talking or something like that. So
Right.
tell me like how situation and how did you tell him actually कि like this is a decision that I think I'm going to like have to make.
सिद्धार्थ
Okay, so as you
शो
know
छोड़
that,
दिया.
Siddharth and I, we're really best friends, and we've been shooting since like years now, and together. So yeah, I had to tell him obviously, and he was pretty devastated about that. He was like, okay, because nobody saw that coming, Simran. Nobody saw that coming. And not even me. Like, after this lockdown, this decision came up in our minds. So yeah, and I've been seeing a lot of comments of people as well. They are thinking somewhere that there is kuch hua hai, that there's some problem between them. It's nothing like that. Yeah,
सुन लो
we
भाई.
were not posting a lot on social media since a while because I had been shooting. I was flying all the time here and there, and he was shooting for his own stuff, and that's why we were not able to meet on set also so often. Like I used to get really less time on set because I had my exams as well. I just gave my 12th exams also. So I used to give my exams, come back to shoot, give my exams, come back to. इतना वो हो गया था ना But
Right.
it's not that, you know, our equation is superb and I still meet him and, you know, we still hang out and all that. And I hope that, you know, there is some bigger project and better things that are coming. And I would love to be a part of it with him. So,
Yes, even like the music videos and all that you guys do, you know, that receive so much love. And I also want to touch upon Lagdi Kasam, just like completing millions after millions, and
so true.
how,
Yeah.
like, you know, to see like a thing that you've done and मतलब continuously millions हो रहे हैं. Like Yari, like talk about Yari, it's there on
Yeah.
every feed. Like जो भी लोग reels या TikTok या कुछ भी बनाते थे जैसे
Yeah.
is there everywhere, and when you like see these
दोनों
things
का इंटरनेट ठीक
materializing
करवाओ
actually
यार.
so well, how overwhelmed do you get, like, you know, when you see these sort of
Zoom ऐप ने
edits and
काट
all of
दिया
that?
कसम से.
I think yeah, for Yari as well, like it wouldn't get so much love or it wouldn't be on
230
everybody's
million views.
profile or on Explore all the time if it wasn't good. So people really liked the song and you know they really like still listen to the song.
2.9
अभी तो बारिश भी हो
million.
रही है, so you know it's all that vibe. People are really loving it. And it's been 1 year, like you know, 1 साल हो गया उस गाने को, and people are still not getting over that. So I'm just
Exactly.
really happy, and it's hitting millions day by day. It's 230 million. So I got a text from Nick, and Teri Naar is gonna hit 100 million now, and Yari is gonna hit 230 million. So he was like, "Come on, we have to party." So like
To
yeah,
party. To create
देखो इतना
something
पैसा
more,
आ
because
गया
like
था भाई.
fans are very like eager thinking ki when are you going to like step out and you know like start
Right.
shooting for these quick music videos, like 2-day shoots, 3-day shoots and all of that, and everybody is
Yeah,
waiting, and
I
I'm
mean,
so
right.
trying ki kisi tarah, like, you know, like because ek to Bombay mein there's so much rain, and
Exactly.
people who've not seen Avneet in real life, she's literally like this, like she's tiny. So actually, her immune system has to be like really, matlab not very up to the mark. But yes, she'll literally
Yeah.
do things which are like super exciting, and I'm sure of that. Thank you so much for doing this. And lastly, I want you to give a quick message to all your fans who've been so patient for
Yeah.
a video interview, I'm sure, and they've been constantly messaging that get her to talk to us and all of that. So what would be your quick message to them?
I would just like to say that I don't know what I have done that I deserve you all, and I really feel that you
इतना
guys are so
भोलापन
connected to
अच्छा
me, and
नहीं
I'm so
लगता.
connected to you, and I just want you guys to be happy always, no matter you know, no matter whatever is happening. I just want you to have hope, and I love you all, each one of you all so much, and please stay here with me. I'm gonna do something bang on, something so awesome very soon, so I'll keep you guys updated on
कुछ
that.
तो
I love you
आ
all
रहा
so
है.
much.
हमारा चैनल तैयार है.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You also take care of yourself, take care of the family, and let's hope that we get to meet soon and
Definitely.
something even more fun. And many congratulations for 1 million. I'm waiting for you to hit 10 very soon. So yes,
Woo!
so much.
Absolutely.
Bye.
Thank you,
Take care.
Susan. Take care.
And you have to write like quarantine letters to your favorite out of those. Okay.
You are the only person
Coming
that I
soon.
look.
Okay, okay. सो ओके गाइस, तो जैसे कि आप सब लोगों ने यार ये वीडियो देखी, एंड देखो यार बात ये है कि जितने भी लोग मुझे लाइव सेशन में आके बार बार बोले जा रहे थे ना, बोले जा रहे थे अभी इतने शो नहीं छोड़ा, सब टीवी वालों ने उसको निकाल दिया, ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया. भाई आज आपने अपने मुंह अवनीत कौर के मुंह ज़बान खुद से सुन लिया कि भाई देखो बात पता क्या है, कोरोना लगता ही उसको है जिसकी इम्यून सिस्टम कमज़ोर हो. तो इसके लिए जो है वो आपको पास अपना ट्रैक देखना चाहिए. घर से बाहर निकलने से पहले आपने क्या गंद कचरा बाहर का खाया है, आपने क्या ऐसा खाया है, क्या ऐसा पिया है जिसकी वजह से आपका इम्यून सिस्टम है ना, आपका स्टमक जो है वो वीक हो गया है. सो बहरहाल बाकी ये बातें तो खैर आप लोगों को पता है, मुझसे ज़्यादा पता है, आप लोग मुझसे ज़्यादा समझदार हो ना. अच्छा, मुझसे ज़्यादा समझदार हो. बाकी बहरहाल बाकी आप लोग बताओ. एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू फॉर अवनीत कौर टू हिट, क्या कहते हैं यार उसे, 1 मिलियन. एंड भाई देखो 1 मिलियन हिट करना अवनीत कौर के लिए इतना मुश्किल बात नहीं है. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं लिटरली बता रहा हूँ, उनके लिए जो है ना कोई इतना मुश्किल काम नहीं है. बिकॉज जिसके पास जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट 30 million on TikTok, 12 million around on Instagram. I don't remember the correct figure. उसके लिए YouTube पे 1 million लेना कोई मसला नहीं है, to be very honest. हाँ मेहनत लगती है, बहुत लगती है. जैसे अविनीत कौर ने कहा कि YouTube पे वीडियो बनाना एक बहुत बड़ा पहाड़ है. एंड तो वो मैं लिटरली आपको बता रहा हूँ. मैं एक बात कर रहा हूँ कि व्हेन यू हैव दीज नंबर, सो दीज नंबर डजंट मेक्स एनी वैल्यू, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्टली. बाकी बहरहाल वो ये नंबर बहुत बड़ी वैल्यू रखते हैं. मैं एक बार से बात करूँ, जब आपके पास 30 मिलियन हो, 12 मिलियन हो, फिर 1 मिलियन, तो वो लाइक ओहो ये तो ऐसे ही बकेट में आ गए, चलो इसको भी ले लेते हैं. मैं आप शॉपिंग में जाओगे ना तो आप 10-20 रुपये का लेस या 100 रुपये का लेस जो है, आप 10-20 हज़ार रुपये का सामान जो, तो लोग कहते हैं चलो यार 100-200 रुपये का लेस भी ले लेते हैं, कोई मस्त थोड़ी यार, महीने का राशन ले रहे हैं ना 100. मतलब ये वो वाली बात थी. बहरहाल डोंट टेक इट इन अ रॉन्ग वे. ये बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट होती है, बड़ा अच्छी लगता है ये ऐसी अचीवमेंट देख के. सो बहरहाल लेकिन इंटरव्यू बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ेदार था और मैं इस चीज़ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ कि ये कहा जा रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा बैंग आने वाला है, बहुत कुछ आने वाला है. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. आर यू? प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना कि भाई यार बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो ओपी सीन होने वाले हैं. अलादीन का भी वो कह रही थी कि मैं शायद बहुत जल्दी वापस आ जाऊँ, जैसे ये लॉकडाउन का सिस्टम पूरा ख़त्म होगा शायद वापस आ जाएँ अविनीत कौर. तो कौन कौन चाहते हैं अविनीत कौर वापस आ जाए? प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों को कैसे लगी प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. मैं ज़्यादा कोई ज़्यादा लंबा चौड़ा मैं बात नहीं करना चाहता, लेकिन यार मैं एक बात कहूँगा, इंटरनेट अपना ठीक करवा लो. ये बात मैं भी अपने आप को हर रोज़ बोलता हूँ, बिलाल यार अपना इंटरनेट ठीक करवा ले. ये मज़ा आ गया कसम से, देख के दोनों के ऐसे खड़खड़ा के आवाज़ आ रही थी ना, मज़ा आ गया. तो मज़ा आ गया कसम से, मज़ा आ गया ये भाई साहब, मज़ा आ गया. तो बहरहाल बाकी आप लोग बताओ आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. आप लोग मुझे ज़रूर बताना कि वीडियो आप लोगों को कैसी लगी, क्योंकि आप लोग बताओगे तभी तो वीडियो अच्छी जाएगी. अगर आपके चेहरे पे स्माइल आई हो तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. और तो और प्लीज़ मुझे ज़रूर बताना आप लोगों को वीडियो कैसी लगी. प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. लाइक करके बताना कि वीडियो आप लोगों को कैसी लगी. डिसलाइक करके बताना आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगी या नहीं. डजंट मैटर, यू हैव बोथ ऑप्शन, लाइक और डिसलाइक. लाइक कर दोगे तो थैंक यू सो मच, और डिसलाइक कर दोगे तो थैंक यू सो मच मेरी वीडियो देखने के लिए. और अगर डिस्क्रिप्शन दी हुई मैंने इंस्टाग्राम जाके इंस्टाग्राम को ज़रूर फॉलो कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि कोई बात उसको माफ़ी माजरत, लेकिन इंटरव्यू बहुत ज़्यादा औसम था, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा.